Hi everyone, so I got this wrong the other day when I said that when I clicked on the devices tab that it wasn't a problem, that it wasn't loading. It actually was a sign that I hadn't been accepted onto the tariff properly. They'd had a software problem at their end and they needed to restart it. It all worked, the test charge worked first time this time, and everything's fine. It's now up and running. But this is what you should see when you are on the Octopus Intelligent Tariff and go on your Octopus app. So you can select how much you want to add to your percentage state of charge, because it seems to work on percentage state of charge amounts you'd like to add. So you're really going to be at 0 where you need to add 100, and I'm at 75, 80, and I want to go to 100 to balance the battery or whatever before I do 3 night shifts. So I'm going to choose 25. I've already done that. You can choose when you need it ready by, and I want it to prefer to charge as late as possible. And you can swap between 11 AM and as early as 4 AM, and then you save your schedule. Then when you plug in, you get this charging schedule, and so you can see here it's going to have half an hour off at midnight, and then at 1 AM, and then at 2 AM, and it's given this selection of half-hour slots that are clearly cheaper to Octopus. And when they would prefer to charge rather than me. So I would prefer them to charge and finish it 5:05, so that it's 100% for the least amount of time possible. But this is when it's cheapest for them, so that's when they're going to do it. And it also gives you a little bit of charging history there too. And this over here, the bump charge button, is where you can tell it to charge now should you really, really want it to. But if you push that outside of your cheap time, then you're going to pay full whack. So just be aware of that. So this is just a little whistle-stop tour of the Octopus Intelligent smart charging schedules, and this is what you'll see. So part of moving to this tariff is a bit unusual. It's not just an off-peak tariff; it's a load of other things, and therefore that was my wife bullying me. And therefore you can get a bit anxious about what it looks like, what's it going to be like. So this is a bit of a walkthrough. So there you go. Ciao.